Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Assetto Corsa on your MacBook. While these powerful machines aren't built for Windows-exclusive games, there are effective ways to get behind the virtual wheel. We'll explore the best methods to run this popular racing simulator smoothly. Understanding the right setup and optimizing your system will ensure a fantastic driving experience. Get ready to enjoy high-fidelity racing on your Apple device. The most reliable way to play Assetto Corsa on your MacBook is by using virtualization software like Parallels Desktop. This application creates a virtual Windows environment directly on your Mac OS, allowing you to install and run PC games. It's crucial to allocate enough system resources, such as at least 8 GB of RAM and 4 CPU cores, to the virtual machine for optimal performance. This setup provides a seamless gaming experience. For the best experience, a MacBook equipped with an Apple Silicon chip, like the M1 or M2, is highly recommended. You'll need a minimum of 16 GB of unified memory to handle both Mac OS and the virtual Windows environment efficiently. Furthermore, ensure you have at least 100 GB of available storage space for Windows, Assetto Corsa, and any additional content. These specifications are key for stable gameplay. To maximize your Assetto Corsa performance, start by adjusting the in-game graphics settings to a lower preset. This reduces the load on your virtual machine and integrated graphics. Using an external monitor can also improve frame rates by bypassing the MacBook's internal display. For an immersive experience, consider investing in a dedicated racing wheel and pedal set. These steps will significantly enhance your virtual driving adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.